From the luxurious journey of the future, greetings! Presenting the 2026 Mercedes-Benz EV Motorhome. More than just a means of transportation, this innovative car is a statement of commitment to eco-friendly travel without compromising style or performance. A silent, powerful electric engine that can produce up to 200 kilowatts, about 268 horsepower, and exceptional instantaneous torque to tackle any terrain powers the RV. Mercedes-Benz advanced electric architecture, most likely from the upcoming eSprinter, serves as its foundation. The exterior design perfectly blends the functionality of the Sprinter business van with Mercedes-Benz unmistakable look, thanks to its sleek LED headlights and taillights, clean, modern body lines, and the traditional yet more aerodynamic front grille for EV efficiency. The mix of design and practicality will make your travel both stylish and emission-free. The interface is modern and easy to use as soon as you walk in. A large touchscreen entertainment display that seamlessly combines smart connections and an intelligent navigation system takes up the middle section. A digital instrument panel behind the steering wheel displays all of the important travel information in a clear and straightforward manner. Premium materials like carbon fiber or vegan leather, along with adjustable ambient lighting, offer an opulent yet environmentally sustainable interior atmosphere. The main cabin of the camper is designed to be adaptable and cozy. The flat floor of the EV platform gives the space a sense of space and accessibility. A luxurious lounge area including adjustable, modular sofas wrapped in plush leather or beautiful fabric invites you to relax. Large panoramic windows offer stunning views, and a multi-zone climate control system ensures the perfect temperature in every part of the cabin. In the evening, the bedroom provides a tranquil and cozy haven. A fixed queen-size bed or a creative fold-out bed that can be concealed to optimize available space all day long are your options. Blackout curtains, calming low lighting, and an ergonomic mattress allow you to sleep soundly wherever you are. Storage spaces are thoughtfully planned to keep your belongings organized. The layout of the bathroom encourages space efficiency without compromising style. Excellent end finishes are used in a modern toilet with a water-saving system, a fashionable basin, and a full-size shower with excellent water pressure. The air is kept clean by a modern ventilation system, and optimal performance is guaranteed by brilliant LED illumination. Lastly, the galley is a dream come true for any traveling chef. Modern amenities including a stainless steel sink, a spacious, energy-efficient refrigerator and freezer, a convection microwave, and a 2-burner induction cooktop are included. Meal preparation is made fun when traveling because to the roomy work surfaces, stylish, easily cleaned composite materials, and ingenious storage compartments.